you know, Mom and Dad told us a couple days ago, you know, we were running a couple errands. She said, hey kids, we're going to a place called Ikea. I was just like, you know, pulled up to this huge warehouse called Ikea.
When I got here, I had no idea it would have like stories. I thought it would just be like one level. It was huge.
Yeah, I mean, I can relate to that, you know?
Yeah.
I thought it was just gonna be one big place, you know, kind of like Lowe's,
Yeah.
Home Depot, all these piece of crap places. But no, I mean, no, this place is huge. Huge bags, look at that. Already have your hands full? Free lockers to put junk that you've already bought in lockers. You know, when I first came through the door and just went up the escalator, I was like, whoa. This would be like a sweet destination.
You don't have this. First, when I started going through it, I did not know it was going to be that big. Something behind those curtains.
Would you buy some toilet paper? Oh, I'm joking. Stoner's room.
Whoa.
Ah, you stepped on my foot.
An apartment? Oh my god, this is not my room.
Dad, guys, did you see that red kitchen back there?
Yeah.
Do you want to go play in it with me?
No.
You can see anything in Ikea. I mean, this place, Ikea, is like never ending. Like, it is just concrete forever.
And we're upstairs.
I mean, really, yeah. Oh my god, dude. I mean, it's like an ongoing maze that just never ends.
Your teeth. Bad shark.
You know, I love how they have those little rooms in there, you know?
I know, it was like a sea.
Yeah, it was like a scene, dude. Yeah,
Sea.
it was awesome, dude. You could have so much fun in there. I mean, we had a good time. You know what I'm saying? We had fun.
I know, man. It's like every kid had their own room.
Yeah.
And all the stuff worked in the rooms. That would be
Yeah.
awesome. We'd have to travel like a mile to get to our friend's house.
I know, really. Dang.
It's a giant elevator. Let's get in.
Let's get in. Yeah.
Jesse, come here.
That seriously almost closed on me.
Hey, what floor did you put us on?
Oh my god.
I have no idea.
Seriously? Okay, wait a minute. Open the door. Open the door.
You know, in that elevator, I thought I was gonna die.
Just don't press the button. Just press it. Whoa. Stop. Don't press it. We're moving.
Yeah. Yeah, we're falling down. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Just, alright, here, just. Okay.
In the air right now.
Crap. That
Oh my
was
god, what do
something
we do?
beeped.
What do we do? Okay.
We're at the bottom.
20 minutes to go from here to there?
I think we should go back upstairs.
Yeah.
Holy crap. It goes on forever.
Holy snot. I want to go back upstairs.
Let's go. Let's move.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we gotta.
These are the checkout counters. You gotta jump these dots.
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells like
Cinnamon rolls. Bakery. Who would have known? There's a bakery in Ikea. Just not in Ikea.
Attention IKEA visitors, Billy Wall, please meet your party in the bistro. Billy Wall, please meet your party in the bistro.
This is the biggest place I've ever been in my life.
We thought the upstairs was big, right? We went downstairs.
and it was huge.
Whoa, it was humongous. I was like, whoa, this is a little too intense for me, you know? I think you need to apologize for that.
Hey, we found you guys. Alright, you ready to go?
Ready to go.